Disruptive innovation is entering the market at a very low level and then gradually eating up the business of the existing players.
So what happens is when we make a business plan, so the business plan was to understand the market size. And there are a lot of ways we can understand the market size, and one of those ways is to understand the population size.
I'm really impressed and pleased to know that institutes like IPER, which is the prestigious institute of Bhopal and Madhya Pradesh, is taking this step forward where students are getting exposure from like real examples and the environment around them. So this is a very good step here.